Hello everyone. This is our
video presentation for the 2025 ISPO competition.
Today we will be presenting about our research. We're going to go through briefly about our research from our background to our purpose of research and our methods in conducting our research. So let's just get into it.
We know that choosing a college major for high school students is a very crucial decision that determines a student's future. This decision is made upon many factors such as skills, talents, passion, and of course, career opportunities. However, there are still several challenges that students face when choosing the right major for them.
A study done by ICCN also showed that as much as 80% of students took a wrong major, not according to their talents, skills, or passion at all. This phenomenon is known locally as salah jurusan. Furthermore, another study also showed that 71% of people who took the wrong majors end up working an unsuitable job, not according to their higher education.
In an effort to minimize the number of students picking the wrong college majors, a system of college major recommendation has been implemented through a series of psychological tests, or better known as a college major recommendation system. Until now, psychological tests could only be done or conducted by a certified professional psychologist.
AI has become a very important piece of technology in our society. It has been used in many fields, and one of them is the field of education. With our research, we hope that artificial intelligence or AI can help minimize this phenomenon of salah jurusan in our everyday lives and the future.
The issue that we were initially trying to address was how we could design and implement a college major recommendation system through the utilization of AI technology on a website that can recommend students a college major with the same accuracy as conventional methods.
In theory, this research can benefit us by giving us new information about the implementation of artificial intelligence in the field of education. In practice, the result of this being a website with a built-in AI that can help students determine their college major can also benefit for many different parties.
According to John McCarthy, the father of artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of creating intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is like using computers to understand human intelligence. In short, AI gets fed data, learns from said data, and in the end is able to make decisions and answers according to the data. Machine learning, furthermore, is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing computer algorithms that can improve automatically through learning from experience and data.
Moving on to the scope of education and psychology. A psychological test is a test that is usually conducted to measure and analyze the psychological aspects of the individual taking the test. Meanwhile, the Holland Codes or ISEC test is a test based on the personality theory developed by psychologist John L. Holland. It can help a person know themselves and estimate the potential career that is right for them. There are 6 personalities according to the Holland Codes, being realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional.
The research was conducted from March to September 2024 and was conducted at our school, SMA AVICENNA JAGAKARSA, and our own respective houses. We used our own computers with software such as Microsoft Excel for the database, and we also used WordPress and XMPP for the website. In designing the prototype for the website, we also used Canva. The method used in this study is the research and development method. The steps are commonly referred to as the R&D cycle.
Intrinsically, 2 main stages are done in the process of making the artificial intelligence model: dataset development and model development. When developing an AI, a dataset is required. 2 datasets are needed for this specific model: the dataset of student report cards and the dataset of student psychological test scores. These datasets will be used to train and evaluate the AI model that will predict college majors with academic transcripts and psychological test scores.
In When building the AI model, the first thing to do is to do the encoding process for the target majors on the student report card score dataset and the psychological test score dataset. The AI model that is used to predict majors using student report cards and psychological test scores is the same, which is the XGB classifier mode. The first step is to train the model by dividing the existing data into two. 70% of the data is used as the training data, and 30% of the data is used to evaluate the performance of the model.
In conclusion, our research has shown significant results. A working machine learning model built into a website that uses data from conventionally done tests can now reconsider various aspects about a person before determining their college major. After going through several validation tests done by professionals both in the psychological and technological field, our product is now deemed fit for use. Furthermore, Genius Jurusan also uses the same flow that conventional tests are using to determine college majors. So this means that Genius Jurusan can become a suitable alternative if conventional tests are not accessible. Well, that wraps up our little exposition about our research and Genius Jurusan.
Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you all later.
Have a good one.